Welcome. Today, we're diving into Kubernetes on AWS, the ultimate duo for cloud scalability. Kubernetes, the master organizer, keeps your applications running smoothly, while AWS provides the power. Imagine Kubernetes as a diligent traffic cop and AWS as a bustling city. It all works in harmony. Let's explore how this dynamic pairing transforms cloud computing. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13+ years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. So what is Kubernetes? Think of it as a super efficient manager for containerized applications, always making sure everything runs smoothly without manual interference. It handles deployments, scaling, and even failures. If IT had superheroes, Kubernetes would definitely be one of them. Deploying Kubernetes on AWS is like moving your operations into a luxury high-rise. Scalable, secure, and ultra-efficient. AWS brings the infrastructure, Kubernetes brings the automation, and together they create a powerhouse for modern applications. Now let's talk Ansible. It's like your personal assistant for Kubernetes deployment. Ansible automates setup tasks, ensuring everything runs smoothly without you lifting a finger. Less manual work, fewer errors, and more time for coffee. Setting up worker nodes is like assembling your squad. First, pick the right machines. No point having a Ferrari for a grocery run. Then, install the essential Kubernetes tools. Next, connect them to the cluster, like teammates joining a game. Finally, verify everything works. You wouldn't start a road trip without checking the fuel, right? Networking in Kubernetes is like setting up a city's roads. You need the right paths for traffic to flow smoothly. First, understand how Kubernetes manages networking. Then, configure the CNI plugin. Think of it as the city's traffic controller. IP addresses are like addresses for houses. Make sure each pod has one. Finally, ensure seamless communication. Because what's the point of a city if no one can talk to each other? Deploying applications on Kubernetes is like launching a new restaurant. First, you need a solid menu, your YAML manifests. Then, open your doors with kubectl apply. If customers don't love a dish, rolling updates let you tweak the recipe. And of course, high availability ensures your restaurant runs smoothly. No one likes to see a closed sign during peak hours. Monitoring Kubernetes is like keeping an eye on your fitness. Tools like Prometheus and Grafana act like smartwatches, tracking every move. Analyze the data and make improvements, like adjusting your diet for better performance. Scaling is like training harder. Horizontal scaling adds more teammates. Vertical scaling makes existing ones stronger. And automation, well, that's like a personal trainer handling your routine. Security is like locking your house. RBAC ensures only authorized guests enter, while network policies prevent strangers from wandering in. Scanning containers is like checking the locks, no weak spots allowed. Lastly, enable audit logging to catch any suspicious activities, because you'd want to know if someone's sneaking in at midnight. Troubleshooting Kubernetes is like fixing a car. Start by checking the dashboard. Logs tell you what's wrong. Network issues, that's like traffic jams. Trace the problem and clear the roads. Resource errors are like a gas tank running low. Refuel wisely. And unexpected crashes, well, that's when you call roadside assistance, or in this case kubectl. We've covered a lot, from setting up worker nodes to scaling and security. Kubernetes is like a marathon, not a sprint, so take time to master it. Follow best practices to avoid pitfalls, explore resources to dive deeper, and get ready to implement Kubernetes like a pro. And hey, if things go south, troubleshooting will be your lifesaver. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.